Welcome back guys, welcome to another episode of KW Tech official YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to show you guys how you can easily write Instagram bio with a stylish font. So let's get started. First of all, what you need to do is you have to open your browser. In my case, I'm opening a Google Chrome browser, and after that you have to visit this website. I can just copy this link from here and put it in this video description. You can visit this link from the video description as well. So after that you have to open your Instagram account. Here you see my Instagram account is open in front of you. Now just click on the profile icon, and after that click on the edit profile button, and here you will see the bio. So this is the bio that already written. So what I need to do is I have to put another text at the top. So I just go to that website and I will type the text here, like learn something new. And after that, when I press enter, and I will see a lot of options here, a lot of stylish fonts here. So what I need to do is I have to select one of them and copy from here and simply paste in the bio section of Instagram. And here you see it is stylish font is now showing, and after that I just also copy some other text from here, or I can just simply type the text here. Do subscribe our YouTube channel, link below, and after that press enter, and we have a lot of options here. Right now I'm going to find a bold text here, so I just select one of it. So here is the text. I just copy from a text from here, and again go to the bio section, and I just remove the already text and paste the new text. And here you see it is now bold text is all copied here. I click on the tick icon, and here you see my Instagram bio is now updated and updated with the stylish font. So I hope that this video will be helpful for you. If you find it helpful, do subscribe our channel KW Tech official. Inshallah we will meet you again in the next video. Take care and have a nice day.